Good morning, greenhouse. Preliminary shutdown accomplished. I had to turn off the heater. Everybody's looking pretty good. My breath is really very breathy this morning. It's chilly. It's 32 in here. It's 22 outside. And I'm going to be opening up more in a little bit. We have a meeting to go to this morning. I love the reds that we're getting on here. I've debated trimming some of those off because they're kind of old and ratty, but I haven't decided. So I'm vacillating. Woo! Oh, on to hot tea and breakfast. Jack looks a little hungover this morning. I was teasing him. Yeah. He's like, I don't want to be anywhere. He got to go tinkle around out here. There's a couple of bunnies here this morning. There's Miss Isa. She's running on the inside of the fence, waiting for us. Hi, Miss Isa. How are you? Oh, he says, don't bug me. She has a tendency to do things like run up under his nose and smack him. Just for fun, of course. And then he's like, rawr. Okay, Jack's going back in. Are you coming in too, sweetie? Are you coming in?